I'm going to show you how to reverse your video using Filmora X. So it is very simple trick. Let's drag and drop it into the timeline and keep the project setting okay. So here is the normal speed. Let's play it. This position I want to reverse the clip from here to here. Firstly, let's split the clip and click delete. Clip on the right side to somewhere on the timeline, right? And now we need to copy and paste this clip on the timeline. Select the clip and then we can click on this split button. It is very easy, and then click on the reverse. So we have just reversed the clip. Okay, so here is the effect, reverse clip, and let's play. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Thank you for watching.